In this video, we're going to be talking about fact families. A fact family is two addition sentences and two subtraction sentences. And these sentences use the same three numbers. So if you have a problem like this one that asks you, what fact is missing from this fact family? So there's three main numbers. There's 9, there's 6, and there's 3. Those are the three numbers. And you can put these into 4 different sentences, 2 addition sentences and 2 subtraction sentences. So in this problem, we could see that we have the 2 subtraction sentences. And we know from my previous video that for the subtraction sentences, these two are related. And the way you can see that they're related is these two numbers switch sides, right? So we know that the missing sentence is another addition sentence. So in my previous video, we know that the related addition fact to 6 plus 3 equals 9 is getting these two to switch places. So 3 plus 6 equals 9 is the related addition fact, and it is the missing addition sentence from this fact family. So we have the 3 sentences here, and now this is the 4th sentence. This is the missing sentence. Missing addition sentence. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Just pause the video, rewind it, and listen to it again. And practice makes improvement. So the more you practice, the more you will improve.